Thanks to everyone's contribution, as of yesterday, April 19, we have raised more than 2,096,000 pesos for our UP Vanguard COVID-19 response initiative. 1,050,000 pesos of this amount has been allocated and partially spent for the procurement of 500 sets of hazmat suits and face shields, 800 isolation suits, and 250 sets of isolation gowns and sterilized caps. These personal protective equipment will be donated to the Philippine Heart Center, Among Rodriguez Memorial Medical Center, New Sinai MDI Hospital, La Union Medical Center, and Palanan Station Hospital in support of our Dr. Broads on duty there. Meanwhile, 576,200 pesos has been allocated and partially spent in support to the various chapter initiatives to assist the community, Makati chapter and University chapter in UP Diliman, Los Baños chapter in UPLB, Baguio North Luzon chapter in UP Baguio, Panay Negros chapter in UP Visayas, and the Capital chapter initiative to provide PPE and alcohol to COVID-19 referral centers. This leaves us with 470,000 plus pesos, of which more than 400,000 pesos is still uncollected. We would like to take this opportunity to request those who have not been able to remit their pledges to do so as soon as possible so that we may sustain our various projects. With 172 new cases recorded yesterday, confirmed COVID-19 cases in the Philippines are now at 6,259. Among these, 766 are health workers, of which 22 have died, while 67 are police personnel. Recovery rates have overtaken the mortality rates. But our national total places us third highest in terms of confirmed cases in the Southeast Asia region. The enhanced community quarantine in Luzon has also been extended until April 30, 2020 in order to prevent the numbers from rising. Last April 13, the UP COVID-19 Pandemic Response Team released its Policy Note No. 2, which included an assessment of the effectiveness of the Luzon-wide ECQ and a projection of the possible cases by the end of April. Through simple time series analysis of typical trends of positive cases in the DOH reports based on data as of April 10, the response team estimates about 9,000 to 44,000 possible cases reported by the end of April. They also stated that in general, the ECQ, along with other interventions, was relatively successful because it now takes a little longer for the number of confirmed cases to double in number. As the government continues to project courses of actions and implement these as appropriate to the evolving situation, let us continue to abide by the safety and security protocols of the community quarantine. In the words of our national commander, Vanguard Guido Delgado in his message last March 31,
as we adapt to the developing situation, let us strengthen our collective resolve to sustain this effort and to aid those in need. Let us serve the community. Let us serve the country. God bless us all.
Together, we can do more. Your contribution in any amount will help us make a difference. Support the cause.
The few, the chosen few, who lead, who serve the banner true. The UP Vanguard's home, and you are the few,